Welcome back, YouTube. So, what are we doing today? Well, we got one of those self-launch, release, put yourself on a trailer latches. This one's the Ramp the Clamp brand. And the reason I went with this one, because it's all stainless steel construction. So we're gonna be putting this on today. We got a stainless steel rub plate that we got to put on the boat. So we're gonna put this on. We got the primer for this, which helps this stick a lot better. All right, we got to get this off, and then we got to determine which roller size we have to put the other piece on. Kyle, lift up on the boat a little bit. All right. She's just hanging. Just a swinging. All right, what we did was raise the boat enough to put the jack stand under it, which gives us room to clean this and prime it and get it ready for the metal plate. And we got to form the plate to meet that area of the boat. And we got to form this to the boat. It might not be as easy as it sounds. You struggle with that, don't you? Get it. Let me see it over here. You gotta push. So once that's dry, we'll take a pencil and trace around the plate, scuff that area up a little bit, put the primer on, and then slap the plate on. Hopefully it's that easy. So we got the 3M Tape Primer 94. Strength of the tape. That looks straight. Does it look even right here? Yeah. Y'all heard Kyle say yes, so it's his fault.
So you're not going to pull it off?
Yep, squeezed up there. Alright, so it ain't high enough. All right, slide this forward and latch it. There she is, YouTube. We all gotta do is go to the lake and test it. I guess we gotta buy a different hook adapter to hook up our strap up in there, because that part's too small. So we'll see what we can do and talk to you in a little bit.